Let's make your WhatsApp messaging a bit more fun. Let's turn some of your words into WhatsApp sticker. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. But before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can turn your words into stickers on WhatsApp. Let's go. First of all, open up your WhatsApp app, click on whichever chat that you want to send this sticker to, right? I will do in testing only. So it's very easy. For example, you want to type yay, right? So instead of making it yay, you can just put it into a sticker mode. Just click on this one notepad icon, right? Click on search and then you just type hello, for example, right? So you can see there's many different hello stickers here. Hello, 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 hello. You just have to pick one. Okay, even certain words as well. If you put yay, I see there's yay, yay, yay. There's boo, for example. Right, so you can test it out. A lot of those short words actually already have quite a cool sticker to it. So you just have to do this instead of just typing usually the same old character. Alright, boo. Okay, so yeah, this is how to make your chat more fun. So instead of just typing that one word, put it into a sticker and send it to other people. Okay? If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you get more WhatsApp tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.